So hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I was trading in crypto. I entered on the buy side with 1,000 lots in Fortcoin USDT. It was a simple analysis. So please watch this video carefully. You will learn a lot about which setup I used and how I analyzed it. You will learn a lot about it, my friend. Okay, right? So please watch the video carefully. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So friends, you can see here, right now I have opened the Fortcoin chart and will enlarge it a little. You can see here, I am using a 15-minute time frame. Now you can see that there is a complete uptrend going on here. You can see here that I have drawn a trend line right now. You can see that the market is moving in a complete uptrend. Okay, right? So what will I do for this now? I will enter on the buy side, bro. So you should always remember, guys, that whenever the market is trending, try to enter in that direction. And you can see that I'm trading with 1,000 shares. I'm trading 1,000 lots here, guys. Okay? I'm trading 1,000 lots here. And you can see that an uptrend is going on. I'm taking a buy-side entry for this. So you can see that I've already placed the order. Okay? I'll explain it to you now. Where will I place the stop loss? What is it? What is the target? I'll explain it to you logically. Okay? So, always keep one thing in mind, bro. Let it happen, bro. Try to enter in the direction the market is trending. Okay? Because the trend is all my friends, bro. And you can see that right now. I'll place a stop loss here. I'll show you after placing it. Why did I place a stop loss here? What is it? What was the logic? I'll explain that too. You can see that I am setting the stop loss here. So a little higher, meaning the dollar sign is visible here, but I will slide it a little upwards. I will show you where I will place the stop loss. You can see I will place the stop loss here. You can see, now I will slide it a little. So what is the reason for placing it here? So, brother, can you see which is the previous support? So, the stop loss that I just placed is the previous support. For this, I placed the stop loss here and placed it a little below, my brother. Okay? For this, whatever my previous support was, I placed it smaller than that, meaning a little below, because even if the market reverses, it keeps reversing again after reaching the previous support. For this, let's play it a little safe. For this, we'll set a little lower, and you can see that here I'm going to take a target of 1 to 2. So I'll set a target here and show it to you. You can see it's approximately 1 to 2. Is that right? Where is it coming? My target is coming near 0.70856. So you can simply see that I'll set it here. I'll set a target 2. Is that right? So by clicking here, I'm again taking a target near $0.7856. You can see a stop loss of $2. I've simply updated the profit to $24. This means that if there's a loss, there should be a loss of $1. If there's a profit, there should be a profit of $24. So I'm taking 1 to 2, guys. Is that right? So guys, you should always keep trading, bro. Always try to capture 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, bro. Because if you take 1 to 2, 1 to 3, then what would happen? So guys, out of about 10 trades, even if 4 to 5 trades pass, we still remain in profit. It is also fine with me. Isn't it logical? Whatever strategy I am using right now, bro, this strategy is my trend line strategy. So I will share this strategy with you, free of cost. It will come in my application called Goen Academy. I will put it in my application. It will take some time if it is free of cost. My brother, please wait a little because I am managing everything alone. Bro, I cannot manage everything. Bro, I should also do trading. I should also make videos. And I will also launch a course. I was understanding because a lot of people were asking, bro, bring a premium course. Bro, you bring premium content, saying that I will have to launch a course as well. So I have to manage this whole thing a little bit. It's getting complicated, guys. It's taking a little while. But guys, I promise you, whatever strategy I'm using, I'll give it to you free of cost. And keep subscribing to the channel, bro, and definitely like the video. If you don't subscribe, bro, definitely subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you won't be able to access the channel. Okay, right? Because YouTube can't tell when it recommends or when it doesn't. Okay, so subscribe. I'll update you from here. I'll pause the video right now. I'll update you even if my target is hit. If my stop loss is hit, I'll keep watching. Okay, right? So guys, you can see here, bro, almost guys, here it's been 2 to 2.5 hours. It even went from 2 to 3 hours. So you can see my target has been hit here. You can see, bro, we had set a target of 1 to 2. After that, you can see how smoothly the rally came, my brother. Okay, right? The target was also hit. And you can see that the market has hit my target. And you can see how much higher it has gone, right? If I hadn't set a target here and waited, I'll show you the approximate value here. Look, I would have gotten about 1 to 4, my brother, right? But I'll always tell you one thing. Never be greedy, brother. Greed is a bad thing, right? Work according to your plan. No matter how much you let go, no matter how high the market goes, let it do anything. If you have a 1 to 2 plan, you should stick to it. Stick to the plan, right? Don't change the plan and act with discipline, my brother, right? So you can see that my target has almost been hit, and I'll put it next to you on my mobile screen. I'll even show you how much profit I made. I'll even convert the Indian market to Indian rupees. I'll also show you my profit and the brokerage I incurred. You can see on the side here that my mobile screen has been added as well. Yes, you can see that I made a profit of about $24, guys. So what will I do simply now? I'll copy this, brother. I'm going to copy this and convert it into $1 in IAR and show it. So you can simply see that I've just copied this and it's now on this page with $1 in IAR. I'll simply paste it. You can see that a profit of approximately 2,150 has been made. Guys, a profit of 2,150 has been made here. And I will also show you the brokerage. So I will scroll a little here. You can see that the trading fee requires 2 orders here. Okay, right? I will copy the amount spent on the first order. I will simply paste it here. You can see that the first order has only 15 rupees, and I will also show you how much the second order has cost. So I will simply copy the second order here and show it to you. Okay, because guys, if you wait more than 15 minutes, you will need 2 orders. You can see that the second order has already incurred 40 rupees. By adding these, the brokerage is approximately 40 to 55 rupees. This brokerage is very low, my brother, right? So many people were saying that there is a lot of brokerage in Delta Exchange, saying that there is no brokerage, my brother. You should trade with smaller coins like Fortcoin, Zura, and so on. You won't incur any brokerage charges at all. If you trade with Bitcoin or Ethereum, you'll incur a little more brokerage. Okay? So subscribe to my channel. I'll share premium content with you absolutely free of cost. No one on YouTube will provide you with this kind of knowledge, my brother. Okay? Definitely like the video and leave a comment saying, "Thank you, brother." I'll feel motivated with just one comment. Okay? And whatever strategy you have, brother, I'll give it to you free of cost. No problem. I just have one request. Practice with some discipline, my brother. Okay? So if you liked the video, definitely like it. And brother, I've given you the link to Delta Exchange in the description. Absolutely open an account, my brother. Your account will be open in just 15 minutes. And I'm currently trading crypto because in our Indian market, almost everyone is closed on Sundays, Mondays, or Saturdays, and it's closed only on holidays, and it's open for just 6 hours every day. The crypto market itself has many advantages, right? Because this market is open 24 hours a day. And the second thing is, it doesn't matter at all. Whether it's Sunday or Saturday, it doesn't matter at all. It always means it keeps running. It keeps running, right? 24 hours a day, 360 days a year. And what's there in this? You can also see leverage, my brother, right? And you can also make good profits with small capital. I had a capital of approximately rupees 10. I bought 1,000 shares with a capital of rupees 10,000. So how much did it cost me? It was only rupees 5,000. And from rupees 5,000, I made a profit of rupees 2,000 to rupees 2,100. A profit of rupees 2,100 means what percentage? Suppose I have made a return of approximately 40% from a single trade. Got it? If you're confused, then calculate it. Look at the percentage of rupees 5,000 to rupees 2,100. You'll understand. We've already seen a return of about 40%. That's great, my friend. You'll find a link to Delta Exchange in the description. Definitely open an account. Okay, right? And if you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe.